everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to level up a relationship on Sims Mobile. So make sure you watch the video till the end in order to learn how you can easily improve or level up a relationship between Sims in Sims Mobile. First of all, make sure that you've opened the Sims Mobile application on your device, and once you've done so, make sure that you select your sim from the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, in order to level up a relationship between Sims, the first thing to do is to encourage your Sims to interact with other Sims in the game. You will be able to see Sims throughout the game, so simply tap on one of the Sims you want to interact with and make sure you interact them by using the options displayed on the right hand side. This may include chatting, flirting, hugging, complimenting, and performing other friendly or romantic interaction with the person. Soon after you do that, you will be able to level up the relationship with the sim. Make sure that you keep interacting with them in order to level up your relationship. Another thing you can do is participate in relationship events that are available throughout the game. You may include things like going on a date with the person or hosting a party together. Completing these events can help strengthen the relationship between your sim and earn rewards as well. Whenever you are trying to interact with a new sim, choose positive interactions available on the screen that aligns with the relationship you want to build. Complimenting, flirting, and performing romantic gestures can also help increase the relationship level faster. Another way you can strengthen the relationship with Sims is by attending social activities and gatherings. Simply tap on the white arrow button on the right hand side of the screen and look for parties that you can attend to by tapping on Find Parties. Make sure to attend the invitation by tapping on Attend, and then you might be able to build a relationship with the sim. As your Sims build a relationship with other Sims, you will unlock relationship stories that delve deeper into their interactions and experiences together. So those were some of the ways you can easily level up a relationship on Sims. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.